Welcome to our module on the medical review process in pharmacovigilance. Today we'll explore how medical experts analyze safety reports to understand potential risks associated with medicines. This critical process helps ensure patient safety through careful scientific evaluation. Picture yourself as a medical detective piecing together a complex puzzle. Your first step is reviewing the case narrative, the story of what happened to the patient. You'll examine every detail, the sequence of events, the patient's symptoms, their medical history, and how they responded to treatment. Clinical relevance assessment comes next. Here's where your medical expertise truly shines. You'll ask yourself, does this make sense medically? Is this reaction something we would expect based on the drug's mechanism of action? Sometimes what seems obvious at first glance may reveal deeper complexities upon careful review. As you analyze the case, you'll often identify gaps in the information. Perhaps the patient's medical history is incomplete, or laboratory test results are missing. Identifying these additional information needs is crucial for a thorough assessment. Now comes one of the most challenging aspects of pharmacovigilance, determining if there's a causal relationship between the drug and the adverse event. Let's break this down into key components. First, we examine the temporal relationship. Did the event occur in a time frame that makes sense? Think of it like a timeline. The sequence and timing of events can provide crucial clues about causality. We must also consider alternative causes. Could the patient's underlying disease explain the event? What about other medications they're taking? It's like solving a mystery where multiple suspects need to be evaluated. De-challenge and re-challenge information can provide powerful evidence. If the event improves when the drug is stopped, known as de-challenge, or reoccurs when it's restarted, called re-challenge, this strongly suggests a causal relationship. However, remember that re-challenge is rarely done intentionally for safety reasons. Literature evidence helps put our case in context. Have similar cases been reported? What do we know about the drug's safety profile? This background knowledge helps us evaluate whether our case fits with known patterns. Developing a robust follow-up strategy is crucial for cases that need additional information. Think of it as creating a roadmap to fill in the missing pieces of our puzzle. Start by identifying information gaps. What crucial details are we missing? This could be laboratory results, treatment outcomes, or medical history details. Craft precise follow-up questions. The art lies in asking the right questions in a way that will elicit useful responses. Remember, healthcare professionals are busy. Your questions should be clear, specific, and focused on essential information. Timeline planning ensures we follow up at appropriate intervals. Some information might be available quickly, while other details might take time to emerge. Planning helps us manage these different timeframes effectively. Let's bring all this together by discussing how to handle complex cases. These challenging situations test our skills and require careful coordination. When dealing with multiple events, we need to understand how different adverse events might be related. Are they part of a syndrome? Do they represent different aspects of the same underlying problem? Multiple products add another layer of complexity. We need to consider potential interactions and determine which product or products might be responsible for which events. It's like untangling a knot. Each thread must be carefully traced. Confounding factors can make causality assessment particularly challenging. The patient's underlying disease, concurrent medications, or medical history might all impact our evaluation. We need to carefully weigh each factor's contribution. Finally, let's talk about resolution strategy. This involves synthesizing all available information to reach well-reasoned conclusions. Document your medical reasoning clearly, explaining how you weighted different factors in your assessment. Remember, others may need to understand your thinking process later. The medical review process in pharmacovigilance requires both scientific rigor and clinical judgment. Your careful evaluation of each case contributes to the broader understanding of medicine safety and, ultimately, to better patient care. Welcome to our final module on PV workflow management, where we'll explore how safety reports complete their journey through regulatory submission and archival. These final steps are crucial for ensuring compliance and maintaining an accessible safety database. Think of report generation as packaging your safety information for its official journey to health authorities. Just as you wouldn't ship a package without proper packaging, we need to ensure our safety reports meet specific requirements. Format requirements are like a universal language that authorities understand. Whether it's E2B for electronic submissions or CIOM's forms for paper submissions, each format has its own specific structure that we must follow precisely. Content validation is our quality gateway. Every field must contain accurate, consistent information that tells the complete safety story. It's like proofreading an important document. Every detail matters. Technical specifications ensure our reports can be properly processed by regulatory systems. This includes proper file formats, correct encoding, and valid data structures. Think of it as ensuring your document is compatible with the recipient's computer system. Now comes the crucial step of getting our reports to health authorities. Timing is everything in pharmacovigilance. Timeline compliance is non-negotiable. Just as a train runs on a strict schedule, each report type has specific submission deadlines based on its seriousness and expectedness. Serious cases might need to be submitted within 15 days, while others might have longer timeframes. Transmission verification is like tracking a package. We need confirmation that our report has been sent successfully. This includes checking file integrity and ensuring proper transmission through electronic gateways. Receipt confirmation is our final assurance. Just as you'd want confirmation when sending an important package, we need verification that authorities have received our submission. This closes the loop on our submission process. Before we can close a case, we need one final quality check. Think of it as our pre-archival inspection. The completeness check ensures we haven't missed anything. Have all required fields been filled? Are all necessary documents attached? It's like going through a checklist before locking up for the night. Accuracy verification confirms that all information is consistent across the case. Medical coding, dates, product information, everything must align perfectly. Documentation review ensures all our processing steps are properly recorded. Future auditors or investigators should be able to follow our trail of decisions and actions clearly. Finally, we prepare our cases for long-term storage, ensuring they're both secure and accessible when needed. Record retention follows strict rules. Different types of safety reports may need to be kept for different periods, some for decades after product discontinuation. Think of it as maintaining a well-organized library where every document has its designated shelf life. Accessibility requirements ensure that, although archived, our cases can be retrieved when needed. Whether it's for future safety analysis, regulatory inspections, or legal requirements, we need efficient access to historical data. Retrieval systems are our digital card catalog. They help us locate and access archived cases quickly and efficiently. A well-designed retrieval system should allow us to search by various parameters, from dates to product names to case identifiers. Remember, proper submission and archiving aren't just about compliance. They're about maintaining the integrity of our safety data for years to come. Your attention to detail in these final steps ensures that critical safety information remains accessible and useful for future reference.